teachers and my dear friends. Today we, the students of class 5th A and 5th B are going to present our special assembly on the topic friendship. I request everyone to join our hands and close your eyes for prayer song.
With the gift of friendship for those who have chosen to be my friends. Let our love, respect and affection for each other flourish. Make me a good friend who is loyal and caring and ready to forgive.
With my whole heart, I ask you to look after my friends. Guide them in trouble, teach them to smile when everything seems sad. This prayer we ask in your holy name. Amen. Will make your weakness strong, your joy multiply, your fears retreat, your laughter flows, your love expands, your worry light, and your best self better. You have lost them, things like your smile, your hope, and your courage. With me, all my friends can play with me, play with me. I don't feel alone, I don't feel alone, I don't feel alone, I have my friends. I don't watch alone, I don't watch alone, I don't watch alone, I have my friends. All my friends can breathe with me, breathe with me. All my friends can walk with me, walk with me. I walk.
Thank you. True kindness lies within the act of giving without the expectations or something in return.
When God is your best friend, you are never alone. Now we are going to present a dance performance. He's always there for me. Yeah. Jesus is my best friend, my best friend, my best friend. Jesus is my best friend. He's always there for me. On Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Jesus is my best friend. He's always there for me. He's always there for me. He's always there for me.
Mukha Gajanan, she is absent.
Friends, very good thing. Do you have friends? Yes. How many of you have friends? Raise your hands. Oh, all have. Very good. Hands down. Very good friends you have? Yes. Yes. The theme was friendship, which means, what is the first placard it is written? Which means caring. Second one, sharing. Third one, what is third one? Kindness. Yes, that means you should have good friends. Friends are the one who helps you to inculcate the values. If you have good friends, you will be good in studies. You will always say the truth, stand for justice. Even if your friends, suppose they both are friends, some mistake they do, the real friend will correct you. The real friend will be always there to say, no, this is wrong. Whatever teachers say, you should obey. The friends, those who are closing the eyes, even if my other friend make a mistake or something wrong, closing the eyes, she or he is not the real friend. The real friend correct you, okay, to become a good friend. That is what good friends. You will be good in studies, you will respect your teachers, obey whatever they say, you will be well disciplined, you will care for others, you will be able to share with others, okay? You will be kind, merciful, all that.